Hi everybody, welcome back. I got another video for you guys, but first I want to thank all of you who has subscribed to my channel. And I love fishing, I love doing outdoor activities, and thank you guys for subscribing, and I really appreciate it. My video, I went on 2 trips. The first trip I didn't do too well, me and 3 other friends, and we didn't do too well. We only caught 3 fish the whole day, and that was disappointing. But 2 days later, I want to go redeem myself because I feel bad because I only caught 1 fish that whole day. And like I said in my previous video, there are days that I skunk out, and this is one of those days that I almost skunked out. I caught 1 fish. I went 2 days later with my brother-in-law, and my brother-in-law, he loves fishing, but he's a little bit older now. His vision isn't as well as it used to be. So I love taking people with me, and I thought maybe I'll take my brother-in-law because I promised him that I was going to take him ice fishing. We went and we got to the lake. We drove out. We had a nephew with us. His name is Nathan. And if you see the video, there's a part where I was riding on the sled while they were on the ATV, and I fell off. And when I fell off, I hurt my shoulder really bad. I mean, it's been a week and a half since then, and I could barely lift my shoulder up. And me being stubborn a little bit, I never went and got checked, so I'm just hoping that it'll heal up. My left shoulder here is still in pain. Let me know what you want to see, and I'll try to get that done, and we'll see. So enjoy the video, and we'll talk again afterwards. Oh yes. Oh, right here. Hit on the fly. Oh, came off. Oh, yo, no, don't go back in there. Oh, hello. Oh. Okay, another one by me. Oh, tỏ ra xí nè, bla lệ. Nó chuyển nhanh được thế. Wow, that one will not give up.
nó có tụ cá hả bây giờ nè.
Này chiều chiều có tụ cá chỉ tỏ nè. Okay, there we go. Whoa, that one he came back and got it.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's pretty big. Oh, nice. Thank you for coming back. Yeah. Put the tay đó còn sao? Tiếp lào nữa.
Mua tàu nhiều cái tuổi.
Have to put the grip of death on this guy. Okay. Very good. That's one. One for me, one for you. Yeah, 이제 나가 또.
No.
Yeah. 이또 쉐쉐 것도 샤샤올라. 따라와 봤다.
Oh yeah.
초가. 이제 그거 뭐 tại có tiền gì là mà lọ vậy sao đấy ok chú làm gì rồi to đó ok to rồi tốt nó lọt thì các bạn ơi to đó yeah to còn chua chỉ pu đi lên nè lọt đó cả từ ra củ sao nữa sẽ của tụi yêu tàu luôn there it comes oh yes oh it's a walleye oh yeah it's a walleye nice look at that nice walleye.
Chỉ mua limit size bây giờ.
Nó chỉ mua limit size đó nó, ta chỉ lấy cái khởi tu xí.
Được cô dưới tu xí.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, nice walleye. What a nice surprise. Beautiful. Yeah. Chỉ là. Oh, sắp có được cá hậu á. Okay, so extra weight on the bottom, on the purple. Check a shot. Oh, oh, plala. Yeah. What's up, plane? Okay. Oh, cô tụi nó chén hả? Cô cho nó hộp tròn chứ không phải chén. Yeah, okay, chén lại. Come on, stop circling around my bait. Take it. Oh, it's coming to you right now. He's looking at yours. Yep, he's looking at yours. Come on, take it. There you go. Keep it tight. Yep, good job. Oh, you lost it?
Yeah.
We lose too many. Hey, Nate. Oh, yeah, we got 3. I lost 1.
Oh, ready?
Yeah. You gonna come over here? Yeah, just fighting?
Yeah, I got a big one on the screen.
Yeah, just come over here.
Are they aggressive?
Yeah, they are. One of them, I raised it up pretty high, and he still came and got it in probably like 3-4 feet off the ground. Yeah, so just come around us. Okay, bye. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You got 5?
I got 5. 5 and 1 walleye.
5 and 1 walleye?
Yeah. Nope, it's coming to you. 2 of them coming to you now.
Yeah.
3, one on the bottom, 2 on top.
Got T28 nó ra là tụt tròn.
Yeah. T28 coming to you.
Yeah. Coming down. Going down. Nhớ là chị từ từ bây giờ tiền người gì nhà mình vui nó chị lỡ chị kiện gặp họ tao ta.
Này giờ chị này tròn bầm đó.
Nhà một tròn bầm thế thế thôi rồi. Có phở mê tua thế cho mình sinh gan nè.
Là bỏ tua trái này thế nào?
Trái hồ.
Bỏ trâu thế là chỉ trâu.
Trâu mà trâu thế có bông cho nó bị thế thì có bông tua.
Tua thế.
Chúa ba tàu cá nó sừng đi ở trâu xe lăn sữa.
Có cái da thế đó, kinh thời da thế đó.
Trâu da, cú chừng một cờ sữa đó, cú một sừng ấy, anh cho lấy một cờ nữa. Một sừng kia lấy một lấy cho chú nọ, từ trong gì trâu nữa.
Okay. Oh, you got it. Pull it. There you go. Chú kia, một cái chú kia cả này son đi á. Một chú kia, cái chú chỉ nên đi cái kia. Sao sẽ chú cả này son đi chứ? Good job. 4 more. It's 12:11 right now. Oh, a bunch of fish coming to me now. Oh, here it is. Oh, yes.
Fly up.
Yes. Come up to land. Oh my goodness. Yeah, blow thêm một giọt nữa. Yeah, blow thêm một giọt nữa. Nó dễ lắm nè. He dropped my wax for me. I'm gonna use it again. Yeah. Yeah. Cô thay mà ta chỉ nói cô thay ít rồi. Cái hai lối vậy mình record ít xí. Cái tiểu của nó qua cái lại học video mà cho YouTube.
Yeah, mua cho ấy. Mua tay để chia thế không sai.
Yeah. Bên nữa cú chỉ nhỏ lại mới cho là sai. Giờ còn mới cho bên nữa ôi thường chỉ là có. Trăm chi. Từ bên thu đẻ ô. Bên thu đẻ à. Bên thu cú thế. Cú what I do is I lift it up, and so the line's tight. And then I just drop it down and just shake it back up. Drop it down. Oh, it's looking at your top one. Okay, just shake it right there. Just stay right there and shake. Oh, I missed it. Oh, I missed that one. Okay, it's looking at your top one. Right there. Just shake it right there. What? Drop it back down. I better check my wax worm might be gone. Yeah, my wax worms are gone. I think I jerked too hard and I lost my wax worms. Okay, here comes one. So if I see him come, I'll just stay right there, just shake a little bit, go up a little bit, drop it right down. Oh, it's looking at yours. That's a big one. Looking at your top lure. What the? Nó con nó chén rồi. Có từ wax for bông á, đó họ bỏ luôn down there, but có từ wax worm. Oh, ít là con này. There you go. Come on, take it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes, good job. Keep it tight. Good job. You want to use the scooper? Oh, that's a big one. Oh yeah. Good job.
Nếu nó không như thế phân không chỉ tao trâu này cũng này.
Play có cho rời có không à? Bắt đầu. Rồi của bác cơ mà. Cắt thì wax rồi, bông nó cá đó họ cắt thù rồi.
Oh.
Okay, that's what fuck up. Like a little jacket. The little jacket. Oh, he bit the baby bass.
Mm-hmm.
Well, not the baby bass, your little shiner. Okay, very good. Let me see how much you got. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6, no?
You got 6, yep.
Oh, okay.
4 more.
4 more, huh? 4 more, so we can go home.
Yeah.
I will get my limit.
Yeah, first time this year. You will get your limit this year.
Yeah. I need 1 more to catch up. 4
Yeah.
more to go home.
Oh, anh là cái tủ.
Đó.
Yep.
Đấy,
Ôi dồi.
chẳng tiền này.
La cái tủ đó của tủ.
Đào thế thế à?
La là cụ là.
Cụ. Tôi chơi luôn nè, trâu có.
Well, what's the count out there?
Are you limit?
No, not yet.
Not yet?
Six on this side. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 on this side.
Oh.
Plus the walleye. Who cut the walleye?
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
It was about the same size as mine.
Yeah. So you got what? 1 walleye and how many?
1 walleye, 1 whitefish.
Come on, Mr. Clutch.
Hey
Supposed
man,
to
I'm
clutch
out
it.
of it. I need my dad here.
Hey, just drill closer to us because the fish are coming.
I see them. They're just. Are you guys using the baby bass?
The baby bass and a fly on top. You need a fly?
Oh, I got a fly. I put like. Been using it, but they're just very.
I'm using the purple bottom and yellow gold on top.
Oh, the gold minnow.
Nope, not gold minnow, just wax from on a gold hook.
Yeah, they're comfy. They're just
not biting, huh?
all over the place. So we got it. We got time.
Yeah.
Right there.
Here it comes. Come on, come on, come on. Take it.
I'm gonna keep fishing.
All right. Another one. There's one by me. Come on.
Oh.
Yeah, keep it tight. Yep. Good job. Okay. Wait. Okay, bring up. You don't call it. Okay. Okay, here you go. Oh, no, don't go back.
There.
Don't go back. Good job. You got 7. I got 7. Oh no! Oh.
My goodness.
Oh.
That's a fly. Chắc là hồ đi chứ.
I know ya. Thanh thôi chứ khó đó.
Tôi bé tu nữa.
Oh, too lah.
Yeah.
Let me see. Get this
Oh
out.
my goodness.
It's okay. I mean, we have to fish longer. We managed to get our limit. So we got 3-man limit plus 3-man limit on walleyes as well. My brother-in-law say that we double limited, which is true. Not double limited in whitefish, but in 2 species. You know, hopefully you'll learn something from me, or at least it'll be entertaining for you. So, you know, share with your friends, subscribe, and it doesn't hurt to push that subscribe button or the notification button. I'm doing this for fun. I'm not doing it for the money. There's no money in this, but I'm just doing this for fun. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next video.